Hello, and welcome to the Words of Healing. You can be a successful person when you truly believe that you can, deserve, and are entitled to live a successful life that is available to everyone. And if, after hearing this, you don't entirely believe it, know that your mind is jam-packed with limiting beliefs. Listen to these positive affirmations frequently to allow the words to implant an inner truth, an unquestionable certainty in you, changing the way you think and feel about something you want to live and experience. Amazing things begin to happen simply when we truly feel we can influence and transform our lives. Come on. Repeat after me. I am brimming with energy and enthusiasm today. I am appreciative of all the positive things in my life. In every area of my life, I deserve nothing less than the finest. Every day I experience the joy of receiving and giving abundance. I create the life I want. When I go after what I want, it comes to me. Everything I touch succeeds, and wonderful things are occurring to me. I am happy with my accomplishments and my relationships. I'm building an incredible life, and I see my obstacles as chances to advance. I am highly motivated to go after my dreams. If I put my mind to it, I will achieve it. It doesn't matter what others think of me, for I know who I am. Success comes to me naturally, and I'm evolving into a more prosperous person. Every day I get better and better. I am capable of achieving my deepest aspirations. I am excited and optimistic about being in control of my future. I'm building the life I've always wanted. I have the power to bring about all the success and wealth I want. I let go of ingrained, negative beliefs that had prevented me from succeeding. My thoughts are unblocked and receptive to intriguing new possibilities. I make wise choices. Everything excellent draws to my mind like a magnet. I deserve every wonderful thing life has to offer. I am appreciative of all the abilities I have and how well they serve me. The quality of my life simply keeps improving. I enjoy what I do for a living, and I have hope for the days ahead. I am aware that there are countless opportunities in the cosmos for me and my career. I am grateful that I am surrounded by positive, supportive people who believe in me. I am always open-minded and eager to explore new avenues to success. I am a magnet for success, and I recognize opportunity when it knocks and seize the moment. Every day I discover interesting and exciting new paths to pursue. And I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I am surrounded by abundance. When I need help, I effortlessly attract the perfect resources and solutions. Everywhere I look, I see prosperity. I am well organized and manage my time with expert efficiency. I was born to be successful. It's my natural state of being. I am committed to achieving success in every area of my life. I love my occupation, and my work is a fulfilling part of my journey to greater success. My ambitions are in perfect alignment with my personal values. I work with fascinating, inspiring people who all share my enthusiasm. Prosperity is my birthright, and success is part of that right. Love and gratitude create miracles in my life. Successful thoughts create more success in my life. I'm growing every day and every minute that passes. Success brings wealth and happiness to me. I was born to win. If you like these affirmations, please click on the like icon below. We also ask that you to share the link in the description below with a special person, someone you love, so that they too can clear and program their minds for success and prosperity. If you want to be notified whenever we post new videos like this one, then it's important that you subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications. From words of healing to you, may the universe conspire in your favor.